Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam and today I'm gonna show you how to find CapCut ID. So without further ado, let's jump into it. First of all, you're gonna click on the top left on your profile icon and you're gonna start signing in with your TikTok or Gmail or email or Facebook or Apple. So we're gonna start signing in with our TikTok account, and we're gonna authorize in the process that to link the account to CapCut. So after we authorize it and signing in, we're gonna say you're gonna see the CapCut ID right here appearing to you. Note, don't share your CapCut ID to anyone because you will be jeopardize your account to be hacked. So that's important note to mention. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, follow it, hit the thumbs up. Last but not least, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.